The possibilities that we have with 3D printing are endless and will only grow the more we use the Ultimaker. I'm currently the technical director of the Formula 3 team of Amersfoort Racing. The biggest names that we know nowadays are guys like Charles Leclerc and Max Verstappen. And moreover, Max Verstappen started his motorsport career in Van Amersfoort Racing, and from us he directly made the step to Formula 1. The main job of an engineer in motorsport is first of all the guidance of the driver. And another important task is to set the quickest car for a racer on track. And that is where an engineer can make the difference. If he's able to set up a car especially to the needs of the driver, that can make that little step from P5 to P1, what we are ultimately looking for. The margins in motorsport are very slim. It can be a tenth and a half between the top 10 of cars. If you don't innovate, you're standing still, and standing still means that you don't win time compared to your opponent. So for us, it's very important to keep innovating. Currently, we drive with Formula 3 cars, which are homologated, so we cannot change so much on the car. But to still make that innovation, we can do a lot around the car that we can improve. So we can make all processes quicker, we can enhance the performance of the processes, and for that, we can use additive manufacturing. This year, we made the step to drive Formula 3 with Tatu's cars, and actually we received this car only 2 weeks before the first race weekend. The car arrived here in the workshop. We had no tools, we had nothing, and within 2 weeks we had to prepare ourselves to participate in the first race. And that is where additive manufacturing helped us a lot, because with that we could manufacture parts or tools that we needed within 2 days. And that is something we could never do before with metal manufacturing. It seems like the philosophy of 3D printing has been growing up a lot within the company, because it happens more than often that, for example, a mechanic comes towards us to say, I miss a certain part to fulfill my job perfectly.